Hey guys, welcome back to another Unboxing with Scott. Today we're going to be unboxing and test running this RC truck. So this is by DEERC. It's the 4-wheel drive 9201E. So let's get unboxing. A couple things we can go over quickly. It's full scale. It's got 2-time differential. It's got 2.4 GH radio control, rechargeable battery, 4-wheel drive, and shock absorbers, and more. So guys, oh wow. I'm excited, guys. So this is the remote control. It's gonna take 3 AA batteries for the remote. You have your steering trim, you got speed switch, you got on-off button. This is how you control it on the side. You got your trigger forward and reverse. They give you a nice manual, and you know what's really cool? This is the first time I've ever seen this from an RC company. You know what's really cool? You guys see this body? You think that's pretty awesome? You got headlights there, you got a spare tire. Well, guess what? You got 2 bodies on here. That's right, my friends. You got 2 bodies that you can use. So you could have that one, which is pretty sweet looking. So they make it simple for taking the body off. You just pull these pins, give you a little flap to make it easy for removing. And here we go. Now we got access to the compartment. By the way, guys, the box says it's rated for, let's see, 8 years and older. So this one actually has a full-on motor, and this one definitely doesn't look like your run-of-the-mill RC vehicle. This definitely is, you know, as you guys can see here, I'm not sure how well you're gonna see that, but you can really have some fun with this. Okay guys, now that we're up close, check this out. So as you can see, the shock absorbers, look at that. So as you're running, pretty awesome, guys. So looks like you have the T connector end. You got your motor on off switch over here. You got your battery compartment in here. They do give you a spare battery, so you have 2 batteries. The battery is 7.4 volts, 11.1 WH, 1500 mAh. So you guys can customize it. Just make sure you read the manual that they give you. Charging cables right here. You got 2 of them. You got your tool for your tire. You got a screwdriver, a cleaning brush. You got extra pins, extra screws, extra nuts. So guys, overall, this is actually pretty awesome. It looks like this one does have headlights as well. So if you put this body on, not only will you have headlights, but you'll have headlights. You'll have KC lights on the top there. So guys, if you're wondering where this cable connects, it connects right down in there, as you guys can see. So that just runs straight up, straight down to right in there. So guys, I do want to point out that there is plastic on both bodies. So you peel it up in the corner and then you just take it off. Some guys leave it on for extra protection for the body. However, as you guys are about to see, it looks much nicer with it off. So we're going to take it off and show you guys what it looks like off. Check that out, guys. Look how that shines. So you can easily reach underneath here to touch the on-off switch, as you can see it right under in here. So guys, the grass is tall, so let's see how well it performs in tall, wet grass.
I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me, it's your loss. See, I got my mind on the facts, I'm a python. Grab what I like real fast, choke until I have everything I attack, everything that I lack, everything that I want, and I see, matter of fact. Cause I'm my own worst enemy. Only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it. Every morning I wake up obsessed, and everything I do the best. And deep within my mind, you know I'll always manifest it.
I do not recommend what I'm about to do. Do not do this. But I just want to show you how powerful it is, but don't do this. So as you guys can see here, how I can easily go through water. Now it's not good submerging it in water like this, but I just wanted to show you how well the products are made. And watch this, we take it out. No problem. Now we can dry it off. Again, do not submerge it in water, please. You can go in some water that's like, you know, maybe that much water. Don't submerge it. That was only just to show you how powerful this is. So please don't do that. You will ruin your RC truck. I just had to prove to you guys that the DEERC makes one of the best RC vehicles in the world. So guys, after all that clowning around, after all that smashing, that jumping, that driving through wet grass, through tall grass, through stones, through water, through ramping, flying around, bouncing around, still performs perfectly. Overall, this is definitely in the top 5 RC trucks. Definitely very durable. I think adults, teenagers, kids, all will love it. Again, you guys can see the clearance of it. Do not put it in water that's more than about there. I'm sure some people argue that you could put it through more. Some people say not any. So basically do it under your own risk, whatever you're gonna do with it. If you do get it wet, you know, wet grass or water or something, make sure when you're done you dry all the components off. So make sure you wear rubber gloves when disconnecting the battery. Make sure everything's turned off. Make sure the remote, just everything is turned off. Completely dry your RC. And then what I like to do is hang it like this. So completely dry it, then hang it like that to make sure any water in the motor or anything is out. Again, I recommend if you want it to last forever, basically, then do not drive it through any water. Or snow. That's my opinion if you want it to last longer. But as you guys just saw, you know, proof is in the actual footage, and you guys saw the proof how good DEERC makes RC vehicles. Definitely my favorite brand for RC trucks. Absolutely love this one as well. So guys, as a bonus update, what I like to use is a hand blower. And this allows you to blow out water and dry everything off. So all my RCs, anytime they get wet, this is what I do. So that's what I do. I'll spend 5-10 minutes doing that. I'll pull out the battery, do that, and make sure the motor is all completely dried off. Then I'll turn it upside down and let any water drip down, and then I'll blow dry it after a day or less. And yeah, never had any issues. All my RC trucks always work perfectly great.